Jai Sriman Narayana. Three of them started walking. First Lakshmana, then Sita, and then Rama. The scene looking like between such a huge two elephants, Sitama is very, very safe. Like that, it is the scene is looking like that. And Sitama started noticing so many beautiful scenes and beautiful places, and immediately started asking Rama about the details of those places. Rama is giving and explaining all the details of every place and everything. Then Sitama, whatever she sees and feels happy, immediately Lakshmana getting it and giving it to Sita Devi. Like that, three of them are still walking in the shore of Yamuna river only, and also that Yamuna river is so beautifully, that stream and that entire atmosphere is very, very pleasant. Three of them eating some fruits, eating some herbs, and none of them are showing any kind of pain, though they are left in the forest, though they are living in the forest, though they have to live for 14 years in the forest. That sadness is not seen in anyone's face. Three of them happily walking in the middle of so many animals. Like that, they started walking towards Chitrakutam. Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, three of them are walking in the shore, in the banks of Yamuna Nadi, Yamuna the river. After reaching to a place, they felt that they have to take rest there. They slept there that night. And early in the morning, Ramachandra Swami got up. But Lakshmana did not get up. Probably he is tired so much and he is still sleeping. Rama, as and how parents gets up their children with so much of love, Sri Ramachandra Swami is also asking Lakshmana, get up. Saumitre, Srunu, Vanyanam, Valgu, Vyaharatam, Svanam. Can't you listen? All the birds, all those beautiful birds are making their noises. Can you not listen, Lakshmana? Come on, it is morning now. Please get up. Then Lakshmana immediately got up. Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, three of them got ready. Again started walking towards Chitrakutam. On their way, Rama started explaining all the details of all those beautiful places and beautiful scenes to Sita and Lakshmana. There are so many flowers fell down on the floor, on the earth. Now that flowers is like a beautiful carpet for Sita, Rama, Lakshmana. It is like as if Bhumata is giving a red carpet to Sita, Rama, Lakshmana towards Chitrakutam. That scene is looking like that. Three of them are walking, and there are so many groups of elephants and all other animals. Chitrakutam is very close by. Rama is showing Sita and Lakshmana that look at that is what Chitrakutam, we are almost there. Like that they reached Chitrakutam. There they found so many beautiful places, and there are enough fruits and herbs and everything for them to eat. There are beautiful lakes in which nice sweet water, fresh water is there. So they have seen all those details on the Chitrakutam. Now Rama is saying that, oh Lakshmana, we already heard that there are so many rishis and munis staying over there here. So let us just go around. Like that, three of them started going around, and finally they went into a ashramam which is of Valmiki Maharshi ashramam. So they went in there. Valmiki Maharshi gave them warm welcome. Now Rama, Sita, Rama, Lakshmana and Valmiki Maharshi, all of them sat together. Ramachandra Swami started introducing himself to Valmiki Maharshi. In this conversation process, Ramachandra Swami also instructing Lakshmana that, "Oh Lakshmana, this is the best place for us. So let us construct a Parnasala here on this Chitrakutam and let us make our staying place here itself on this Chitrakutam." Like that, Ramachandra Swami in front of Valmiki Maharshi instructing to Lakshmana Swami. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।